Can a life insurance and accidental death and dismemberment claim be denied because your deceased relative died while doing inherently dangerous activity? Now, I will tell you that life insurance carriers, AD&D carriers, are in the business of denying, and make it financially difficult for loved ones because they can. And that's just wrong. It increases the tragedy and the grief of families who rely on insurance companies to do the right thing and keep their promises. Now, while the carrier may pay the life insurance policy, they will often deny the AD&D benefits that pay at an increased rate, maybe double or triple the face value of the policy, because they don't want to pay out that additional money. It's really as simple as that. Now, one of the reasons that these benefits can be denied is that they'll take the position that your deceased relative or loved one died while in dangerous activity. Can they do that? The answer is maybe, and it depends on the terms of the policy or the plan. Many times you will see in a policy a clause that is called the inherently dangerous activity clause. And there might be an explicit policy exclusion or a vague policy exclusion that's subject to an interpretation by a life insurance or AD&D company. Now, a common definition states that the policyholder who dies while participating in a certain type of activity like skydiving, bungee jumping, rock climbing, scuba diving, or piloting a private plane is doing inherently dangerous activity. And that can be excluded by the terms of the policy. But what I find is many times they misinterpret or misapply the policy language as a way to justify their claims denial. They may define riding a horse or riding a motorcycle as an inherently dangerous activity, even though the policy is silent. This policy is hocus pocus, and I think it can be challenged in court. The court's going to look at the plain language of the plan and the ordinary language of the policy and tell the carrier that this muddy, ambiguous policy language can't be used to justify a claims denial. The court can also tell the insurance company or carrier that they have flat out misinterpreted or misapplied the policy. So please don't let an insurance company profit from a wrongful denial by saying that your loved one died while doing inherently dangerous activity, when in fact that may not be what the policy or plan says. Now, give us a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary 30-minute consultation. If we think we can help you, we'll let you know. We'll give you the straight answer. We work on a competitive contingency fee basis, and we don't get paid unless we recover benefits. So you owe it to yourself to call us at 727-894-3188 for a consultation.